Nature's balance, an intricate web of life perfectly tuned over millennia, but what happens when that balance is disrupted? For centuries, human activities have pushed ecosystems to the brink. Overgrazing, deforestation, and species extinction have left scars on the landscape, but now a movement is gaining momentum, one that seeks to restore what was lost. Yellowstone National Park, a crown jewel of American wilderness. But 25 years ago, this landscape was in trouble. With no predators to keep them in check, deer and elk populations exploded, leading to overgrazing. The effects were devastating. Riverbanks eroded, forests dwindled, and biodiversity plummeted. In 1995, a bold experiment began. Wolves, absent for nearly 70 years, were reintroduced to Yellowstone. The wolves changed everything. By preying on elk, they allowed vegetation to recover. Trees and shrubs flourished, providing habitat for birds, beavers, and countless other species. The impact was profound. Rivers stabilized, beavers returned to build dams, and the entire ecosystem began to heal. The return of the wolves restored nature's balance, proving that rewilding can revive even the most damaged landscapes. Across the Atlantic, a similar story is unfolding. In the UK, beavers, once hunted to extinction, are being reintroduced to revive the countryside. These industrious rodents are nature's engineers, building dams that create wetlands, rich habitats for a multitude of species. At first I was skeptical. But the beavers have brought life back to these streams. The fish are returning, and so are the birds. It's amazing to see the change. Where once there were dry, lifeless streams, now there are vibrant wetlands teeming with life. The beavers are doing what humans couldn't, restoring water systems and boosting biodiversity with every branch they place. From the highlands of Scotland to the plains of Africa, rewilding is gaining ground worldwide. It's a movement that's not just about saving species, but about restoring ecosystems. Communities are at the heart of rewilding, working together to bring nature back. Their stories remind us that humans and wildlife can coexist, and that by healing the land, we heal ourselves. Rewilding is about hope. It's about giving nature the space and time to recover, and when we do, the results are astonishing. Rewilding isn't just a return to nature, it's a return to balance. As these projects show, when we give nature a helping hand, it gives back in ways we can hardly imagine. The future of our planet depends on the choices we make today. Rewilding is one path forward, a path that leads to a world where nature thrives, and so do we.